Here there is another interesting specification of AppMaa, that is admin button functionality. Here you will find tabs like Pricing Center, Billing Center, Billing Bands, Customers, Customer Groups, Employee Groups, Employees, Projects, Services, Service Types, and more on. Pricing Center and Billing Center, we will discuss it in our next segment. Let's start with Billing Bands. Billing Band tab is used to fix rate to an employee with respect to time which he spent on a particular service. Let's add a billing band. Click on this button. This mark indicates that you should fill this box without fail. It is required. Add here your band name. And here add price with respect to time given in hours. And select here your band status, which means that band is in active or inactive. Click on Save button. Here you can see your billing band is added in the list. You can also see your band details by clicking this button. And also you can edit your details by clicking this button. Delete button is also provided. In Employee tab, when you add employee, there is an option called Billing Band. Below, you can see second band, which we have added recently. Select that, which reduces our work. Now no need of going back and adding. Just click on these options. Now we will discuss about Employees tab in Admin. You will come across columns like Employee Name, Role. Role tells you what is the role of employee, he is admin or a member. Activation status tells you whether employee is active or inactive. Reporting Manager column explains to whom employee should report. How much rate is fixed for particular employee can be seen in Billing Band column. Primary Group, it displays employees' primary group. Let's add an employee details in Employee table. Groups topic we will discuss in our next segment, that is in Employee Group tab. You can see that your employee has been added to the list. These buttons are for complete details, to edit and to delete. You can even check in Analytics tab whether your employee is added successfully or not. Here you can see that your employee is added successfully in Employee tab in Analytics. Our next tab is Employee Group tab. Employee groups are introduced in AppMaa because to communicate to the employees through SMS and messages internally. Let's add an employee group in the list. Here add employee name and status. These are the total employees present in your employee list. Select to whom you want to send SMS or message at once to all. This button selects every employee present in the employee list. This button is used to deselect the employee. This button deselects every employee present in the selected employee group list. Here you can see your employee group is added to the group list. These buttons are for complete details, to edit and to delete. You can check in Analytics whether your employee group is added to organization or not. So, here your group is added successfully. Now, we are going to discuss about our next tab, that is, Customer tab. This tab is similar as Employee tab, whereas here you will find only information about customers. You can add customers in your organization by clicking this button. Complete this table by filling your details like name, status, and address. If there is only one single customer in organization, then click on this checkbox. Here, enter your GSTIN number properly inside the given box. Groups, we will discuss it next. You can see here, your customer has been added here in the list. These buttons are for complete details, to edit and to delete. You can check in analytics whether your customer is added in your organization or not. Go to Customers tab and check. Here you can see your customer is added successfully. Customer group works as similar as employee group, but here communication is done between organization to customers. Let's make a Hyderabad customer group so that you can communicate with them at a time through SMS. Choose the selected groups you want to communicate at a time. Here you can see your customer group is created. With respect to location, you can check in analytics whether your group is added or not. Here you can see your customer group is added successfully. Project means a work which starts at particular date and ends at particular date. Projects are directly proportional to its time period. Let's add a project. Complete the table by filling your project details. You can see here, your project has been added to the list. Projects has important part in analytics. Here, you can see your existing project. Click on that. Each project has group of services with respect to its project nature. You can add services inside the existing project internally so that these services comes under one deliverable project. Complete the table by filling the service details. Service has been added to the project. These buttons are used to filter the services with respect to their status. Now we will discuss about Service Type tab. Service type describes the nature of the services. It tells that which type of service is. Let's add a service type. Complete the table by filling your information. Add your service type name and add services accounting code. GST rate depends on HSN. Services accounting code lock. GST rate is fixed on HSN nature. You can see here that your new service type is added here. In Services Model box, you have service type. You will find your newly added service type in that. Just add it from here whenever it is needed. Similarly, you can add n number of service types. In Analytics, there is a Service Type tab. You can check your service type there. Here is the newly added service type. This is our last and important topic in Admin button, that is about services. Services has a prominent role in AppMaa. Let's add a service. Enter your service name, type of the service, that is service type, and to which customer and to whom you want to assign the service, and billing type. Here you can see that service is added in dashboard. In admin, in services tab you will have every detail regarding services you can see here. In analytics, you can check whether your service is added or not. You can see here that your service is added here.